Want a fun and eco-friendly way to start your herb garden? Let's turn eggshells into adorable planters. First, crack your eggs carefully and save those shells. Give them a gentle wash and let them dry. Look how cute they are. Fill each shell with some potting soil. A tiny scoop will do. Now, plant your herb seeds. Basil, parsley, mint, you choose. Cover them lightly with more soil. Give them a little mist of water, just enough to keep the soil moist. Pop them back into an egg carton, perfect for stability and easy to move around. Place your egg carton on a sunny windowsill and watch the magic happen. In no time, you'll see your herbs sprouting. How cool is that? When they're ready, you can plant the whole eggshell in a bigger pot. The shell will decompose and nourish your herbs. Eco-friendly, fun, and super cute. Try it out and let me know how it goes. Like and subscribe for more.